it's AI into the music. So we are going to show you another masterpiece which I have already created. Like if you want to gift a birthday song to your friend and you are a washroom singer, so you can use this website voicemode.net and you can convert in text to a song. So before that, I want to show you the song.
It's your special day, hooray, we're singing happy birthday to you.
So if you want to create a song for your friend, so what you need to do, you have to visit this website and click on text to song. So here just click on generate song. After that, there's a handful of option you can choose. Like this, I have created for my birthday song, and jingle bell if you want to do for Christmas. So I will just see the other options like this. And levitate. You can also listen to the other song when you visit this website. So I will choose dark and okay changes, then I will click on next. Then you choose a singer like Eddie, and if you want to listen to Amy, then there is another gentleman Jerry. So I will choose it and click on next. So here you have to write your lyrics which you want to give into the song. So I will just write my lyrics. So this is the one. So you have to give the song name. So I will give it as like this, and this is Edward. Then you click on create song. It will take a few seconds, and after that the full music will be formed. You can download in form of MP3, or you can also download the video where you can show the lyrics also. So here the full song is formed, and we will listen to it. So once you are done with it, you can only download only voice or voice and music. So I will download the video, and let's see what's the final result. And if you want to know more about AI in our daily life, please subscribe our channel.
I'm on the weekend, I'm ready to flow. That's from 4 days and the beat battle. Make you go, my style is fresh, my lyrics are to you. Knowing the real deal when I step on the knee.